Hari Om students, I hope all of you are staying safe at home. You maintain 2 meter distance away in public place. Always to remember it. Then today, what is the meaning of Samji saying? Do the best and leave the rest. ഡു ദ ബെസ്റ്റ്. നമ്മൾ ഏതൊരു കാര്യം ചെയ്യുമ്പോഴും അത് നമ്മളെ കൊണ്ട് എത്ര ഭംഗിയാക്കാൻ പറ്റുമോ അത്രയും നല്ല രീതിയിൽ തന്നെ ചെയ്യാൻ ശ്രമിക്കുക. അതിൻ്റെ ഫലത്തെക്കുറിച്ച് നമ്മൾ ചിന്തിക്കരുത്. നമ്മൾ ഇപ്പോൾ ഒരു എക്സാം തന്നെ വന്നു, നമ്മൾ നന്നായിട്ട് ഹാർഡ് വർക്ക് ചെയ്ത് ടീച്ചേഴ്സൊക്കെ പറഞ്ഞ അനുസരിച്ച് ഇപ്പോൾ മാത്സ് എക്സാം തന്നെ വന്ന് കഴിഞ്ഞ പ്രാവശ്യം നിങ്ങൾ എഴുതിയപ്പം കുറച്ച് കുട്ടികൾ നല്ലതുപോലെ ടീച്ചർ അന്നന്ന് പഠിപ്പിക്കുന്ന കാര്യങ്ങളൊക്കെ നന്നായിട്ട് പഠിച്ച് ആ ഫോർമുലയൊക്കെ പഠിച്ച് പ്രോബ്ലംസ് ഒക്കെ ചെയ്ത് പഠിച്ച് വന്ന കുട്ടികളുടെ പേപ്പർ കാണുമ്പോൾ എനിക്ക് അറിയാമായിരുന്നു എത്ര നന്നായിട്ടാണ് അവർ ആ പരീക്ഷ എഴുതിയത്. പക്ഷെ കുറച്ച് പേരെന്ത് ചെയ്തു, അവർ മാക്സിമം ഉഴപ്പിയിട്ട് പരീക്ഷാ സമയത്ത് അവർക്ക് വളരെയധികം ബുദ്ധിമുട്ടുകളുണ്ടായ പേപ്പർ ടീച്ചറിന് ആൻസർ പേപ്പർ നോക്കിയപ്പോൾ മനസ്സിലായി നിങ്ങൾക്ക് പല കാര്യങ്ങളും നിങ്ങൾ ശരിയായിട്ട് മനസ്സിലാക്കിയിട്ടില്ല എന്നുള്ള കാര്യം. അതെന്തുകൊണ്ടാണ്? നമ്മളുടെ പ്രവൃത്തികൾ നല്ല രീതിയിൽ ചെയ്യാത്തതുകൊണ്ടല്ലേ. അന്നുള്ള ജോലികൾ അന്നു തന്നെ നല്ല വൃത്തിയായിട്ട് ചെയ്യാൻ ശ്രമിക്കുക. ടീച്ചേഴ്സ് പറയുന്ന അനുസരിച്ച് അന്നുള്ള പാഠഭാഗങ്ങളൊക്കെ പഠിച്ചു പോയിരുന്നെങ്കിൽ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് നല്ല രീതിയിൽ എക്സാമിന് പെർഫോം ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുമായിരുന്നു. അപ്പോൾ ഇനിയുള്ള പരീക്ഷകൾക്ക് നമ്മൾ അങ്ങനെ ഒരു അവസ്ഥ ആർക്കും ഉണ്ടാകരുത് കേട്ടോ. എല്ലാവരും നന്നായിട്ട് അന്നുള്ള കാര്യങ്ങൾ പഠിച്ച് നല്ല മിടുക്കലായിട്ട് വേണം പരീക്ഷയ്ക്ക് വരാനും. ഓക്കെ, അപ്പം നമ്മളുടെ കർത്തവ്യങ്ങൾ നമ്മൾ നന്നായിട്ട് ചെയ്താൽ അതിൻ്റെ ഫലം നമുക്ക് എപ്പോഴും ഈശ്വരൻ നല്ല രീതിയിൽ നമുക്കതിന് ഒരു ഫലം ഉണ്ടാകും കേട്ടോ. അപ്പോൾ അതുകൊണ്ട് നമ്മളെപ്പോഴും നമ്മളെ കൊണ്ട് ഏതൊരു പ്രവൃത്തി ചെയ്യുമ്പോഴും എത്ര ഭംഗിയാക്കാൻ പറ്റും അത്രയും നല്ല രീതിയിൽ നമ്മൾ ചെയ്യാൻ ശ്രമിക്കുക. ഓക്കെ, then today we can study how to find the square roots of the numbers by repeated subtraction. One question: find the square roots of the following numbers by repeated subtraction of odd numbers starting from 1. First question is 49. So here we have to subtract the odd numbers starting from first question 49. Then first we subtract the first odd number is 1. 49 minus 1, that is equal to 48. Then we subtract, what is the next odd number also now? 3. Then you subtract this 48 minus 3, that is equal to 45. Next odd number is 5. So from this you subtract 5. 45 minus 5 is 40. Then next odd number is 7. So 40 minus 7 is equal to 33. What is the next odd number? 9. So 33 minus 9, that is equal to 24. Next odd number is 11. So 24 minus 11 is equal to 13. Then the next odd number is 13. 13 minus 13 is equal to 0. So we successively subtract the odd numbers. First odd number is 1. So 49 minus 1 is 48. Then next odd number is 3. 48 minus 3 is 45. Next is 45 minus 5 is 40. Then next odd number 7. That is we subtract it from 40. 40 minus 7 is 33. Then 33 minus next odd number is 9. That is equal to 24. 24 minus 11 is equal to 13. Then the next odd number is 13. Then 13 minus 13 is equal to 0. Then how many times we subtract? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times we subtract, then we get 0. So how many times we subtract the odd numbers from 49? 7 times. So the square root of 49 is equal to, therefore square root of 49 is equal to 7. Then we subtract the odd numbers starting from 1. From 49 minus 1 is 48. 48 minus 3 is 45. 45 minus 5 is 40. 40 minus 7 is 33. 33 minus 9 is 24. 24 minus 11 is 13. And 13 minus 13 is 0. Here we get 0. Then we stop there. Then you count how many times we subtract. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then that is the square root of this number. Therefore, what is the square root of 49? Square root of 49 is equal to 7. Okay. Then we can do the next one, 100. What is 100 minus 1? 100 minus 1 is 99. Then 99 minus 3 is 96. Then what we subtract? Devanarayanan, 5. 96 minus 5 is 91. Then we subtract 7. 91 minus 7 is 84. Then what is the next odd number? Shown. It is equal to 9. That is 84 minus 9. That is equal to 75. Next odd number is Adityan 11. So 75 minus 11 is equal to 64. Then we subtract 13. That is 64 minus 13 is equal to 51. Then we subtract, next odd number is 15. 51 minus 15 is equal to 36. Then next is 17. 36 minus 17. 36 minus 17 is equal to 19. Next is 19. Then next 19. Next odd number is 19. Here also the answer is 9. Then 19 minus 19 is equal to 0. Then we can count how many times we subtract. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how many times we subtract 100 from these odd numbers? 10 times. Then what is square root of 100? Therefore, the square root of 100 is equal to 10. So, to find the square root of the numbers using repeated subtraction, what we do? We subtract the odd numbers starting from 1 from this number. Then 100 minus 1 is 99. 99 minus 3 is 96. 96 minus 5 is 91. 91 minus 7 is 84. 84 minus 9 is 75. 75 minus 11 is 64. 64 minus 13 is 51. 51 minus 15 is 36. 36 minus 17 is 90. Then last 19 minus 19 is 0. Here we got 0. Then we stop there and you count how many times we subtract. Then how many times we subtract? 10 times. Therefore, what is the square root of 100? Square root of 100 is equal to 10. Okay. Next method is finding square root through prime factorization method. How we can find the square root of a number using prime factorization method. For example, one question is 81. To find the square root of 81, we have to factorize it, prime factorization. Then what is the prime number? We can divide by 81. We can divide 81 by 3. Then 3 2s are 6. Then 21 3 7. Then 27. Again we can divide 27 by the prime number 3. 3 into 9 is 27. Again we can divide this 9 by 3. Then here what is the prime factorization of 81? Is equal to 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. That is equal to 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Then here we can group this into pairs. How many pairs are here? 2 pairs. Then you take 1 from each pair. Therefore, square root of 81 is equal to 1 from this pair and 1 from this pair and find the product. 3 into 3 is 9. Okay. So first we factorize this, you do the prime factorization of the number and then we group them into pairs. Then we take 1 from each pair and find the product. Here from this pair we take 1 3, from this pair also we take 1 3. Then we multiply. 3 into 3 is 9. So what is the factorization square root of 81 is equal to 9. Then 400. We can factorize it. 400. We can divide by the smallest prime number 2. So it is equal to 200. Again we can divide it by 2. It is equal to 100. Then also we can divide by 2. 50. Again we can divide it by 2. That is 25. Then can we divide this 25 by 2? No. Then what is the next odd number, next prime number that can be divided by 25? It is equal to 5. 5 into 5 is 25. Then we can write 400. 400 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. Then we can group them into pairs. 2, 2, 5. Then what is the square root of 400? Therefore, square root of 400. There others. What do you do? We take one from each pair. Pair ആക്കിയിട്ടില്ലേ അതിൽ എല്ലാത്തിൽ നിന്നും ഓരോന്ന് എടുത്തിട്ട് അതിൻ്റെ പ്രോഡക്റ്റ് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കുക. അപ്പോൾ ഇതിൽ ഒരെണ്ണം എടുത്ത് 2 2 ആണ്, അതിൽ ഒരു 2 എടുത്തു. ഇവിടെ ഒരു 2. And here 1 5. That is 2 into 2 4. 4 into 5 is 20. Then what is the square root of 400? Square root of 400 is equal to 20. Okay. Then square root of 81 is equal to 9. 400 is equal to, we can factorize it as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. Then we group them into pairs. Here one pair of 2, one pair of 2 and one pair of 5. Then what is square root of 400? It is equal, we take 1 from each pair. That is 2. From this we take 1 2. From this group we take 1 2 and from this group we take 1 5. So it is equal to 2 into 2 into 5. That is equal to 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 5 is 20. Then what is square root of 400? It is equal to 20. Next is 729. We can factorize this 729. Then we can divide it by 3. How many times? You divide here. 729 divided by 3. 3 2s are 6, 1, 12, 4s are 12, then 9, 3. So it is equal to 243. So it is equal to 240. Then again we can divide this by 3. 3 8s are 24. 3 1 is equal to 3. Then 81 also we can divide 81 by the prime number 3. 3 2s are 6. 21 3 27. Again we can divide this 27 by 3. 27 by 3 is equal to, Sumitra, 9. Again what we can we divide this number by 3? Yes, we can divide this number by 3. Then what is the prime factorization of 729? 729 is equal to 729 is equal to 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. How many 3s? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we can group into pairs. One pair, another pair. Then what is the square root of 729? Madhavas. From this group we take 1, 3. From this group we take 1, 3. And from this group also we take 1, 3. 3 into 3 is 9. 9 into 3 is 27. Then what is the square root of 729? Therefore, square root of 729 is equal to 27. And what is our next question? 900. We can factorize this 900. 900 is equal to Harida, we can divide what is the prime number, smallest prime number that 900 can be divided by is 3. Then 300. Again we can divide this 300 by 3. That is equal to 100. Then can we divide this 100 by 3? No. We can divide this 100 by the prime number 2. That is 50. Again we can divide this by 2. 25. Then what is the smallest prime number that when divided by this 25? 5. 5 into 5 is 25. So what is the prime factorization of 900? Therefore 900 is equal to 3 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. 3 into 3 into 2 into 5, 2 into 5 into 5. Then Nandita, what is the square root of this number? What do you do to find the square root? We group them into pairs. Then what is the square root of 900? Therefore, square root of 900 is equal to, from this group we take 1 3. Then from this group we take 1 2. From this group we take 1, 5. We take 1 from each pair. Remember it, you take 1 from each pair. That is 3 into 2 is 6, 6 into 5 is 30. Then what is the square root of 900? Square root of 900 is equal to 30. So to find the square root of a number by the prime factorization method, first we do the prime factorization. Here 729 divided by 3 is equal to 243. 243 by 3 is equal to 81. 81 by 3 is equal to 27. 27 by 3 is equal to 9. And 9 by 3 is equal to 3. So the prime factorization of 729 is equal to 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Then we group them into pairs and take 1 from each pair and find the product. Remember it. Then here from this pair we take 1, 3. From this pair we take 1, 3. And from this pair also we take 1, 3. Then what is the product? 27. Therefore what is square root of 729? It is equal to 27. Then next question. 900 by 3 is 300. 300 by 3 is 100. 100 by 2 is 50. 50 by 2 is 25. And 25 by 5 is 5. Then what is the prime factorization of 900? It is equal to 3 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. So we group them into pairs. 3 into 3 one pair, 2 into 2 one pair, and 5 into 5 is another pair. Then what we do next? We take 1 from each pair. From this 3 into 3 we take 1, 3. 2 into 2 we take 1, 2. And 5 into 5 also we take 1, 5. Then what is the product? 3 into 2 into 5. That is 3 into 2 is 6. 6 into 5 is 30. Then what is the square root of 900? It is equal to 30. This method is called the prime factorization method to find the square root of the numbers. Okay. We can do more questions in the next class. Assignments will be given through Google Classroom. Thank you and Hari.